Very smooth operation, everyone. Keep it steady.
Easy now, big fella. You're doing great.
Temperature is steady at 101.5. Respiration looks good.
Excellent work, doctor. Heart rate sounds perfect. Respiration steady. Noted. Physical looks good to go.
Hawks are sound and the code is clear.
Confirmed. Report updated.
Have the next one ready, please.
The movement quality on the Simmentals is excellent this year. Agreed, the data reflects that perfectly.
Examination complete. This one is clear.
Records updated, Supervisor. Verified. Send him through.
The new system is working perfectly. Yes, the distribution is much smoother now. The fodder quality looks excellent across the board.
Agreed. Intake levels are steady, and the herd appears very calm.
Water quality is excellent, right on target. All right, bulls, let's go. Nice clean water here.
As you can see, the automated system is maintaining optimal flow rates.
Excellent. The herd data looks good, and the station is spotless.
Could you focus the spray right here on the lower flank? We want that spotless.
The coat texture is excellent on this side. Make sure to get the legs thoroughly. Yes, madam. We are using the finer brushes now.
Excellent work. These coats are spotless. Make sure the records are updated. Excellent grooming, team. Well done.
Check the core temperature on this batch.
Confirmed. Reading is 2 degrees Celsius. Records updated.
The marbling and color on this batch are excellent.
Agreed. Ensure the records are updated for premium grade.
Weight is stable at 50.2 kilograms.
Verified. Data logged.
Pressure is stable at 50 psi. Very clean. Approved.
Check this seam here.
Looks clean to me.
Approval granted. The consistency here is excellent, exactly to specifications. Keep up the good work.
This consistency is perfect. Continue at this rate. Mixing is complete. The texture is uniform.
Very good. The quality is approved.
It meets the quality standards. Consistent texture. Noted. Approved.
Are these pallets ready for staging?
Yeah, Jats. Yes, Supervisor. All 20 cases are secured.
Excellent work. Let's move them out.
The grain pattern is flawless on this batch, sir.
Excellent. The texture meets our luxury standard. Send it to cutting.
I think the stitching should be reinforced right here.
Good point. It adds durability.
Looks excellent. Let's move this to production.
The precision on these handles is excellent. Yes, the machine is running smoothly.
Quality check complete on this batch. Looks excellent. Final packaging approved.